guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing with a few more 1-minute organizing tasks. Stack and straighten books or magazines on a table, if you have those. Match 3 pairs of socks. Put all remote controls in a basket or tray. Group small items together in a drawer, pens with pens, batteries with batteries. Hang up one piece of clothing left on a chair or bed. Return stray dishes to the kitchen. Line up shoes by the front door or in the closet. Wipe down one shelf in the fridge. Refill napkins, paper towels, or toilet paper. Label a bin or drawer with painter's tape for later sorting. All right, that's it for this segment. The next one will be 1-minute home management tips. Thanks for watching.